Luxury car ownership doesn't have to mean signing up for endless repair bills once the warranty clock runs out. While many premium vehicles transform from dream machines into financial burdens, some exceptional models continue delivering both prestige and peace of mind for years beyond their coverage period. These 10 vehicles prove that you can enjoy the finer things in automotive life without sacrificing your savings account to constant maintenance nightmares. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212 generation stands as a testament to what happens when German engineering gets it right. This particular generation earned its reputation through sheer endurance, with many examples crossing the 200,000-mile mark without breaking stride. The secret lies in its powertrain choices, particularly the rock-solid M276 3.5-liter V6 that delivers 300 horsepower through a smooth 7-speed automatic transmission. Diesel enthusiasts can appreciate the bulletproof OM6 42 V6, known for cruising well past 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. Even the V8-powered E550 variants have aged gracefully, though they demand more attention to keep running smoothly. However, timing matters with the W212. Early production models from 2010 and 2011 carried over some lingering issues from development, including transmission software glitches and timing chain stretch problems. The previous W211 generation's reputation for electrical gremlins and rust issues was largely resolved in the W212, making it one of the last truly dependable Mercedes sedans before complexity took over. BMW's reputation for expensive post-warranty ownership gets turned on its head with the 440i. This coupe breaks the mold with one of Bavaria's most reliable modern engines, proving that BMW can still build something that lasts beyond the lease period. The heart of this success story is the B58 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six, pumping out 320 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque. Paired with the proven ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, this combination has earned trust from other manufacturers. Toyota chose this very engine for their revived Supra, speaking volumes about its reliability credentials. Unlike BMW's troubled N54 and N55 engines from previous years, the 440i avoids the common pitfalls of oil leaks and cooling system failures that plagued earlier models. The main concerns center around high-pressure fuel pump issues and carbon buildup in direct injection models, but these problems pale in comparison to the headaches from older BMW powertrains. Avoid the 4-cylinder 430i variants, which suffer from timing chain problems and excessive oil consumption issues. Performance and longevity rarely go hand in hand, but the Audi S4 from the B8 and B8.5 generations manages to deliver both. This sports sedan proves that Ingolstadt learned valuable lessons from earlier reliability struggles. The magic ingredient is the 3.0-liter supercharged V6, producing 335 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque. Unlike Audi's previous turbocharged engines that suffered from turbo failures and oil consumption problems, this supercharged setup delivers consistent power without the drama. The transmission choices include either the reliable ZF 8-speed automatic or an engaging 6-speed manual for purists. Some issues do crop up, including thermostat failures that can lead to overheating and carbon buildup in the intake valves, a common trait among direct injection engines. Early models equipped with the S-tronic dual-clutch transmission may develop mechatronic problems if maintenance schedules aren't followed religiously. Still, compared to the problematic 4.2-liter V8 from the previous generation, the B8 S4 represents a massive step forward. Models from 2013 to 2016 offer the most refined experience with fewer electrical quirks. When it comes to luxury SUVs that refuse to quit, the Lexus RX 350 stands in a class of its own. This mid-size crossover has built such a reputation for durability that many owners consider 300,000 miles just the break-in period. The foundation of this reliability comes from the 3.5-liter 2GR FE V6, delivering 295 horsepower through an 8-speed automatic transmission in recent models. By sticking with natural aspiration instead of following the turbocharged trend, Lexus avoided the high-pressure component failures that plague many competitors. The RX 350's biggest flaw might be its biggest strength. It's almost boring in its competence. Dash rattles and infotainment glitches represent the extent of most owner complaints, while the mechanical components soldier on without drama. The 2010 to 2012 models did experience some oil consumption issues, but beyond that generation, the RX 350 maintains its reputation as one of the least problematic luxury SUVs available. High resale values reflect this dependability, as owners simply don't want to give them up. Sports cars and reliability usually don't share the same sentence, but the Porsche 911 from the 997 and 991 generations breaks that rule spectacularly. These generations eliminated the infamous IMS, bearing issues that plagued earlier models, making them far safer long-term investments. Power comes from flat-six engines, ranging from 3.6 to 3.8 liters, producing between 325 and 445 horsepower, depending on the specific model. The PDK dual-clutch transmission has proven itself as one of the most durable performance transmissions in the industry. Maintenance costs remain higher than average, and carbon buildup in direct injection models requires attention, along with occasional rear main seal leaks. However, these concerns fade when compared to the catastrophic failures common with other exotic sports cars. The 911's strong resale values reflect buyer confidence in its long-term durability. BMW's luxury SUV lineup hasn't always enjoyed the best reliability reputation, but the X5 40i represents a turning point. Unlike earlier generations, plagued by electrical gremlins and engine troubles, this model delivers the dependability that BMW owners deserve. The B58 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six provides 335 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque, working through the bulletproof ZF 8-speed automatic. This engine's reputation is so solid that Toyota selected it for the Supra, providing third-party validation of its durability. Electronics can occasionally act up, and air suspension components may wear over time, but the mechanical foundation remains sound. Avoiding the V8 models and diesel variants eliminates most potential headaches, leaving the 40i as one of BMW's most dependable SUV offerings. Built on a body-on-frame chassis, like its Toyota Land Cruiser Prado sibling, the GX 460 brings truck-like durability wrapped in luxury packaging. This SUV laughs off abuse that would cripple more delicate competitors. The 4.6-liter 1URF EV8 produces 300 horsepower and 329 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This naturally aspirated power plant avoids the complexity and potential failures of turbocharged alternatives, focusing instead on simple, proven engineering. Fuel economy suffers at just 16 miles per gallon combined, and the infotainment system feels dated. Some minor suspension wear appears after high mileage, but mechanically, the GX 460 approaches indestructible status. Over 11% of owners keep their GX 460 for more than 15 years, a statistic that few other luxury SUVs can match. The Macan proves that luxury crossovers don't have to sacrifice reliability for performance. While many premium crossovers become expensive headaches after warranty expiration, the Macan maintains Porsche's reputation for durability in a more practical package. Engine options include a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 in GTS and turbo models producing 375 to 435 horsepower, a 3.0-liter single-turbo V6 in the Macan S, and even a reliable 2.0-liter turbo four-cylinder in base models. Porsche's strict quality control ensures that even the entry-level power plant delivers consistent performance. Some owners report water pump failures and minor transfer case issues in early models, but these problems occur far less frequently than in competing luxury SUVs. With proper maintenance, the Macan easily surpasses 150,000 miles without major repairs. Strong resale values reflect buyer confidence in its long-term dependability. The Acura MDX combines Honda's legendary reliability with luxury appointments, creating one of the safest bets in the family SUV segment. This three-row crossover delivers the peace of mind that luxury buyers truly value. Honda's proven 3.5-liter J35 V6 produces 290 horsepower and nearly 270 pound-feet of torque. This naturally aspirated engine represents one of the most durable V6 designs ever created, with many owners surpassing 250,000 miles on routine maintenance alone. Acura's super-handling all-wheel drive system adds stability and capability for all-weather driving. Early 9-speed automatic transmissions in 2016 to 2019 models occasionally exhibited rough shifting, though software updates addressed most issues. Some infotainment glitches and premature battery drain have been reported, but the mechanical foundation remains bulletproof. The MDX attracts owners who keep their vehicles for over 15 years, proving its long-term dependability. The Lexus GS 350 represents the pinnacle of luxury sedan reliability. Built with old-school Toyota over-engineering, this sedan refuses to surrender even after hundreds of thousands of miles. The 3.5-liter 2G RFKS V6 delivers 310 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque through either an 8-speed automatic in rear-wheel drive models or a 6-speed automatic in all-wheel drive versions. By avoiding turbocharging, this engine sidesteps the expensive failures and carbon buildup issues that plague forced induction competitors. Minor suspension wear after 150,000 miles and dated infotainment controls represent the extent of most complaints. The biggest drawback might be that Lexus discontinued the GS in 2020, keeping used model prices elevated due to strong demand. The GS 350 attracts owners who typically keep their vehicles for over a decade, even among luxury car buyers known for frequent brand switching. It offers the perfect balance of performance, comfort, and durability, making it an exceptional investment in the luxury sedan market. While other high-end sedans struggle with costly breakdowns, the GS 350 continues serving faithfully year after year, earning its reputation as the ultimate buy once, keep forever luxury car.